First off, let me introduce you to David.
Good morning. We're testing the security of a stucco wall with a half-inch hardy board behind it, built with 2x6s, and seeing if it's crossbow proof for safety concerns.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Range Rover I got to work on only a month ago. But I'm back in Canada for the holidays right now. That's why I haven't been making videos, but we're back into it because I'm reminiscing about the warmth. I really miss the warm. It's so fucking cold here. Anyways, let's get right into it. Now, this car here was not any Lexus, alright? This was such a pain in the ass. We had to take out the fuel injectors, not once, but nearly 5 times, but that's alright. Now, I'm pretty good at replacing fuel injectors. If you need anyone to replace a fuel injector on a Range Rover that's from 2014, then hit me up. After doing the fuel injectors, we realized that the fuel injectors were not the problem. And look, some people may ask, do you have an OBD scanner? No. You know what we have? We have the wheel, alright? We spun that wheel, it had a couple different options on it, and we landed on the alternator, baby. Let's get it. Boy, usually in cars, the alternator is located in a pretty easy space, but on this one, you had to take out the wheel, you had to take out a bunch of shit, and then you had to take off a bunch of belts too. And I'm on the roof. I'm on the fucking roof. Like, you can see the hills. Hollywood Hills. There's the moon. Now, after replacing both fuel injectors and the alternator, as well as a couple other things relating to the radiator, we have come to the conclusion that that was not the problem. So our next best course of action, of course, had to be take out the supercharger. Alright, what are we doing today?
We're fixing other people's problems. So when your mechanic fucks up and gets your bolts snapped off in your block, and you can't get it.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Our tools are very organized, so whenever we need a new bolt or a 10 or an 8, we always manage to find it.
Stop. I think we can caveman our way through this one.
What are we doing with this cable?
We're just deleting it.
Why?
Because it needs to come out. And it's in the way, and soft rubber part, and we overheated, so we'll probably just replace the whole thing.
Alright. Our issue in our supercharger is here. We found a ton of metal in this hole, so we had to take off the supercharger belt. Right now it's hanging over there.
So the oil comes in here, the supercharger, and runs out here in the back, and that's what this pipe leads to, where the oil is coming out of the supercharger, and therefore that's why there's metal on this side.
Oh no, anyway.
Moment of truth.
And the supercharger comes off, baby. That's right.
Let's go.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Wow, that was a bitch.
Now the mission was to find a new supercharger that works. So obviously the first plan was to go to Pick and Pull. We did not find anything at Pick and Pull, so we went to a random mechanic 30 minutes away.
Do you have the top?
No. You want it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't fucking know.
I don't know either, so that's why I'm asking.
I thought it was an engine problem. He thought it was the supercharger. If it spins, like, you think the gears are fine?
So, I'm telling you again, our parties, they're all tested, guaranteed.
Anyways, we ended up talking to this guy for a good 30 minutes or whatever, and ended up buying the supercharger. Then we drove back. Oh, stop.
What?
It's spray. Hey guys, we're gonna try again. We just tightened the fuel line bolts. And as any mechanic would do, we got right into the car and started driving. No way. Oh, nah, it's fine, man. Is that oil?